Hello friends, welcome to our channel Random Dictation. Subscribe our channel for daily dictations on different topics. Be ready. It is also a matter of regret that Article 44 of our Constitution has remained a dead letter stop. It provides that the state shall endeavour to secure for the citizens a uniform civil code throughout the territory of India. Stop. There is no evidence of any official activity for framing a common civil code for the country. Stop. A belief seems to have gained ground that it is for the Muslim community to take a lead in the matter of reforms of their personal law. Stop. A common civil code will help the cause of national integration by removing disparate loyalties to laws which have conflicting ideologies. Stop. No community is likely to bell the cat by making gratuitous concessions on this issue. Stop. It is the state which is charged with the duty of securing a uniform civil code for the citizens of the country, and unquestionably it has the legislative competence to do so. Stop. A council in the case whispered somewhat audibly that legislative competence is one thing, the political courage to use that competence is quite another. Stop. We understand the difficulties involved in bringing persons of different faiths and persuasions on a common platform. Stop. But a beginning has to be made if the Constitution is to have any meaning. Stop. Inevitably, the role of the reformer has to be assumed by the courts because it is beyond the endurance of sensitive minds to allow injustice to be suffered when it is so palpable. Stop. But piecemeal attempts of courts to bridge the gap between personal laws cannot take the place of a common civil code. Stop. Justice to all is a far more satisfactory way of dispensing justice than justice from case to case. Stop. Para. Dr. Tahir Mahmood has made a powerful plea that in pursuance of the goal of secularism, the state must stop administering religion based personal laws. Stop. He wants the lead to come from the majority community, but we should have thought that lead or no lead, the state must act. Stop. It would be useful to quote the appeal made by the author to the Muslim community. Stop. Para. Instead of wasting their energies in exerting theology and political pressure in order to secure an immunity for their traditional personal law from the state's legislative jurisdiction, the Muslims will do well to begin exploring and demonstrating how the true Islamic laws, purged of their time worn and anachronistic interpretations, can enrich the common civil code of India. Stop. Para. Before we conclude, we would like to draw attention to the report of the Commission on Marriage and Family Laws, which was appointed by the government of Pakistan. Stop. The answer of the Commission to question 5 is that a large number of middle-aged women who are being divorced without rhyme or reason should not be thrown on the streets without a roof over their heads and without any means of sustaining themselves and their children. Stop. The report concludes thus: the question which is likely to confront Muslim countries in the near future is whether the law of Islam is capable of evolution, a question which will require great intellectual effort and is sure to be answered in the affirmative. Stop. Para. For these reasons, we dismiss the appeal and confirm the judgment of the High Court. Stop. The appellant will pay the costs of the appeal to respondent, which was quantified at rupees 10,000. Stop. It is needless to add that it would be open to the respondent to make an application under section 127 within bracket 1 of the code for increasing the allowance of maintenance granted to her on proof of a change in the circumstances as envisaged by that section. Stop.